Bright and spacious 3-bedroom co-op apartment. Move-in condition. 1,050 square feet. Features living room, dining area, kitchen with a window, updated bathroom with a window and hardwood floors. This is a well-maintained elevator building with laundry area in the basement. Monthly maintenance $1,289 includes all utilities, electric, cooking gas, heat, and water. Additional charges include dishwasher $7 a month, AC $17.50 each month. No sublet allowed. No dogs. Other pets okay. 20% minimum down payment required. 161 units. 100% owner occupied. Parking, storage bin, waiting list. Parking is $72.50 a month. Walk to express bus to Manhattan and bus to B&Q train lines. Close to food shopping, marine park, and schools. Call Diana Melerud of Superior Realty Service at 917-992-7239.